My name is Mateusz. I'm the product manager here at PRONAR Recycling. I'm responsible for the product development of recycling range in PRONAR. Today in IFAT we are having some good premieres. We have 6 premieres on our booth. One of them is the PRO S.1. This is the machine that is entry-level shredder for everybody who is starting into the shredding business or needs some additional machine to improve their production. So this machine is simple, it's economical, the budget pricing, but in those machines, in the simple machines, we are able to have machines that are equipped with some clever solutions. Because if you are limited with money, you need to have some clever ideas in order to make the machine work properly. For example, we have these side combs which are designed to work with the machine in order to reduce or make the final product bigger or smaller. You are opening them or closing them. Generally on those machines, they are working in some dust environment, in an environment where there is lots of dust, lots of material flying around, and those elements get clogged, get blocked. But with this system, which is now being presented to the patented office, we are waiting for the patent arrival, let's say. Those can be opened very easily, closed very easily, and you are able to change the main product of this machine, the main size of the material that's going out of this machine, without any big hassle, with some basic tools like impact wrenches that are just opening those bolts on one side and on the other side. This machine is prepared for quick change of the shafts. We have a quick change cassette, which is this element connected to the whole machine with 4 bolts, 4 big bolts that are holding the machine, that are holding the shafts in place. In this cassette we have a set of 2 shafts, which are exchangeable elements. For now we have the machine which is designed to work with the municipal shafts and the shafts for concrete waste, concrete and demolition waste. Changing those shafts should not take more than 2 hours, which means that you are able to change the machine work without any stops, any big stops in the production line. Okay? The machine, of course, is equipped with the engine, which is a Volvo Penta engine inside. It's a 5.1 liter Volvo engine, 175 brake horsepower. It's a quite small engine, but very fuel efficient, and it fits perfectly in this size of the machine. The machine is controlled by the control panel, which is over there, and it also makes it easy to control the machine without any special preparation or anything like that. The operator just needs some basic training in order to make the machine working as intended. As a standard, you also get the remote control, which makes the machine possible to operate from the operator's cabin, from the loader, and also you get the remote. You get the wired remote in order to move the machine safely. For example, when loading, when you want to have just a small speed. When we are making this machine, we are also focusing on safety. This machine, for example, has special locks which are preventing the machine from going down unintentionally. For example, for maintenance. Do the maintenance in a safe environment, and then reduce the possibility to do some harm to the workers that are working with this machine. The conveyor at the end folds to the machine, and then when the machine is folded and everything goes down, you are able to take the machine on the hook chassis and move the machine freely without any other problems, without need to get some different trailers, different specialized trailer. Just moves between places in a matter of minutes actually. The PRO S.1, as I said, is the entry-level shredder for our market, for our range. And in PRONAR, as you already know, we have a wide range of shredders which are designed for different type of application and also for different sizes of the customers who are processing different type of waste.